Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 19, electric circuit. In this worksheet we will discuss about electric circuit. Current means the flow of electricity. Current क्या होता है बच्चों? Current means flow of electricity. Electricity का flow या बहना इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कहलाता है. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट flows through the wires from the cell's positive terminal to the negative terminal. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लोज थ्रू द वायर्स के थ्रू फ्लो होती है एंड फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल टू नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द सेल. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट? इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज द क्लोज्ड पाथ अलोंग विच एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो. जहाँ जिस पाथ के थ्रू, जिस रास्ते के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है, that closed path is called electric circuit. Electric switch, what do you mean by electric switch? It is simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. So it's a device by using which we can break the circuit or complete the circuit. Here an electric circuit is given to you. In this circuit, cell is connected with a bulb and switch through the wires के थ्रू बल्ब और स्विच को कनेक्ट किया गया है. ये this one is switch and this one is cell and this is bulb. ये वायर्स के थ्रू कनेक्ट किए गए हैं एंड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैसे थ्रू फ्लो हो रहा है इसमें? फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द सेल टूवर्ड्स नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर्स. व्हाट मटेरियल्स आर कंडक्टर एंड व्हाट आर इंसुलेटर्स? कंडक्टर्स क्या होते हैं बच्चों? A material that allow electric current to pass through it. जो materials अपने में से electric current को pass through होने देते हैं, that materials are called conductor. Insulators, materials that does not allow electric current to pass through them. So materials which does not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators or bad conductor. Here the examples of conductors and insulators are given to you. Silver, gold, copper and steel. All these are made up of metals or mixture of metals. That is why they are good conductors and electric current pass through them. These are the examples of conductors. Seawater. In seawater, many minerals are dissolved. That is why seawater is also a good conductor of electricity. Pure water, which does not contain any mineral, is a bad conductor of electricity. These are some examples of insulators. Insulators क्या होते हैं? Which do not allow electric current to pass through them. Rubber, glass which is made up of glass, कांच का बना हुआ glass, oil, diamond and dry wood, सूखी हुई लकड़ी. These all are the examples of insulator, means they do not allow electric current to pass through them. Here the precaution is given to you. What precaution is given to you? Your body is also a conductor of electricity. हमारी body कैसी है बच्चों? is a very good conductor of electricity. So be careful while handling electric appliances. जब हम कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक एप्लियंस को यूज़ करते हैं, बिजली से चलने वाले यंत्र को यूज़ करते हैं, तो हमें कैसा होना चाहिए? We should be very careful. Now discuss the question answer. First one is classify the following into insulators and conductors. You have to give in some substances or some materials made things. You have to classify these into conductors and insulators. So first of all, pen. If pen is made up of metal, it is good conductor of electricity, while pen is made up of plastic, it is insulator. So we are putting a line under the materials which are insulator. Comb, it is made up of plastic, so it is insulator. Key is made up of metal, so it is conductor. Rubber is a insulator, it do not allow electric current to pass through it. Iron nail is made up of iron, which is metal, it is conductor. Chalk is a insulator, do not allow electric current to pass through it. Safety pin, this is made up of metal, so it is conductor. Notebook, it is insulator. Coin, made up of metal, coin is conductor, while copper wire is made up of metal, so it is conductor. Aluminium utensils, made up of aluminium. Utensils made up of aluminium. Aluminium is a metal, it is conductor. Plastic glass which is made up of plastic is a insulator, so it is insulator. Copy is made up of paper, it is also an insulator. Now question number 2 is a bare wire carrying an electric current can give you an electric shock. अगर bare wire है जिसके ऊपर कोई प्लास्टिक कोटिंग नहीं है या रबर कोटिंग नहीं है, कैरिंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैन गिव यू एन इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक, हमें इलेक्ट्रिक करंट लग जाता है उसको छूने से. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस कैन यू से इफ योर बॉडी इज कंडक्टर और एन इंसुलेटर. यू हैव टू find that your body is conductor or insulator. So if you get electric shock by touching the bare wire carrying electric current, it means your body is good conductor. So the body is conductor or good conductor, or electric current pass through from our body. Would bulb glow in the next question is would bulb glow in the circuit given below? Why or why not? यहाँ पर आपको you have to given a circuit in which cell is attached with a bulb through wires. तो cell में in this circuit you are seeing that positive terminal of cell is attached with the positive terminal of bulb. So bulb will not glow. तो no, यहाँ पर you have to write no, bulb will not glow. No. Why bulb will not glow? Because positive terminal of the cell should be joined with the negative terminal of the bulb. Here in the circuit, positive terminal is joined with the positive terminal, so bulb will not glow. Thanks for watching.